So Angelo and I took a little trip up to Cambridge, hang out with Michael from Miltera Complete, and checking out their new 30,000 square foot manufacturing facility of excellence.
Yes.
Yeah, it was sweet. We got a look inside. I mean, what do you say, class 5 clean room areas?
Yep.
Some really crazy stuff inside. You guys are going to be happy here.
We will be.
Yeah,
It'll be pretty exciting.
He said when he found the place, he bought it within 24 hours. He's like, yes, I want it. That's it. I need that. So now we're going to go check out some machines. So if you guys remember last summer, Saunders and I, we came here, we toured this place, got to see the Miltera LX160, very cool machine. And then over in this room, they've got the end mill grinders for Zadaro, their other company. We're just having fun, but we're actually here to see something coming up soon. I haven't even seen it yet.
Wipe the dirt from your face, dry your eyes, and now play the AIDS. Ride along, there's a place where you belong. Shake your ass, don't you worry about the future, about the past. You will hurt the ones that love you, and they will hurt you right back. Sing along. Better check for pulse. You better check for pulse. You better check for pulse.
Oh, okay. Ultrasonic, rinse, dry. This is how a turbine blade starts. Can you imagine? In the CMM room right now with a humidifier to keep it perfect. Temperature, humidity, everything.
Head up high, come on, wave your flag. We're all in this without a clue. In the madness, but what can you do? Ride along, there's a place where you belong. Shake your ass, don't you worry about the future, about the past. You will hurt the ones that love you, and they will hurt you right back. Sing along.
So these two machines are UMAC, E-U-M-A-C-H. They're Taiwanese machines, and they picked them up used, and if we buy them, we'd be picking them up used. They both kind of have issues. So worst case is you like combine them and use parts of one to make the other work. Best case, we can fix them both up. We need a beater machine to do foam, inlays, plastic, random little aluminum jobs. They would be pretty sweet machines to do that. The price is right. So we're looking, we're investigating, we're thinking about it. What do you think?
We gotta make sure they're gonna function.
Yeah, you don't want to buy like a lemon.
Yeah.
That's just never going to work, or always going to take work. You know, typically we buy new machines, but the jobs that we require them for, you don't need a new machine.
What's the story here? This machine, the spindle runs, works, but the tool changer, I guess there's a sensor in the spindle.
Okay.
That when the tool changer comes in, the spindle doesn't release the tool to the tool changer. That's what we were told, so there's a sensor in the spindle that needs changed.
Okay.
So it manually releases, but
Yeah,
you've got to
manually
manually release it here to.
So the tool changer arm will come in, grab it, and then it just won't
Tries to
release it.
pull it, and the spindle won't release it.
Okay.
And then this machine, when we bought it, the guy hooked up the power wrong to the spindle drive and blew the drive. So we replaced the drive, but it needs to be like conversated to the machine.
Okay.
So it's wired in, it's working. They don't talk to each other right now, so it doesn't work. But the tool changer does work on this one. And then at the time we were having faults with the X-Drive PLC in the back. So it would move a little bit and then air it out. Then we'd have to restart the machine. So really on that one, the only thing that needs fixed is the spindle sensor, from what we've been told. And that one would
pull
be
the spindle from here and put it there, I guess, right?
so that one, yeah, that one would be fully operational. This one would need the spindle drive hooked up to it, and maybe something with the PLCs. Then your chillers are both back here.
Chillers.
Yeah, spindle chillers.
Sweet.
So
Oh, they're external. Yeah, like
Yeah, one there for now.
the Maury's got one, but it's internal. It's in like the back. That's kind of cool. 15 horsepower at 32,000 RPM. So they run on an old Heidenhain control. Maybe there's a date. We don't even know how old this machine is. So the spindle chiller's an external unit, kind of cool. Heidenhain control with your jog pendant. I don't even know what version of Heidenhain this is, but it has a 32,000 RPM HSK 40 spindle. It spins really nice. Like really nice. Must be like an air oil bearing, not a grease pack. And I mean, it's clearly a beater machine. It's not in the greatest condition, but it's fine. No probes, no table tool setter. We got a plan for that. Not sure how many pots are in this thing, but let's call it 20-ish. Okay.
So they just cap this, but yeah, normally you'd have like chips flowing into there, and then you'd scoop it out of there. This right here.
So then it drains into that tank down there.
Right. So that's like your. So you pull that out, clean this out, stick it back.
Exactly. So that's the new drive you put in.
Yeah.
And you wired it up based on what, the old one?
Yeah, exactly. And so the LCD came turned on, but I could never get the spindle running, so.
Okay. Possible deal for a forklift as well, electric. He said the battery's going on it, so it only charges for like, only keeps like 15 minutes of charge on it, but for quick and dirty stuff. So they're moving from this shop and then the other one, the main Miltera shop, and they're purging, trying to get rid of some cool stuff. Back at the shop again. Wow, what a fun day. Angelo and I had such a great time. Thank you to everybody at Camp Fleet for having us over yet again. Always such an amazing time visiting there. I've been on like such a factory tour, like trip for the past, 3 weeks or so. Having a lot of fun. Man, at Miltera, they go all out. They're a bunch of really, really smart guys. It's really cool because they're a manufacturing company. They're now an end mill grinding company, and they're also a software company. And the way they blend the three of those together is just mind-boggling because they're creating their own software to run their own custom weird little ideas because they have a whole software development team. And it's fantastic. Like, I do little bits with Google Sheets and scripts and things like that to solve a problem, but they're writing entire applications and programs to be able to do some very complex, cool stuff. And it's really cool to chat with them and understand it, that not necessarily that we can apply it to our business, but we can apply the mentality and the efforts that they put into what they do into what we do. And it's really cool. And about those two machines, man, I gotta really think about that. The only thing is they need some work. I don't really need a project right now. They seem pretty cool. I think they will do exactly what we need in order to cut foam and plastic and inlays. And I don't know yet. I don't know. I got to think about this. Like I said, the price is right. Even if we dump a little bit of money into it for a service guy to come in or for us to mess around with it, it could produce two really good machines. Or worst case, one is a parts machine and the other is a good machine. But then the value is only in one of the machines. And the extra parts, I guess. So I don't know, I got some thinking to do, and yeah, but I got some work to do. So, see you guys later. Bye. Well, hello. So it has now been about a month after I toured the Miltera shop, and I figured I'd give you guys a little quick update on those two used UMAC machines. I'm gonna buy them. I've committed to buying them. I'm super excited. I just have nowhere to put them. As you can see, our shop is a little tight. We just got the Tornos in, got the Neckmer in the back, got the Mori right there, got the lapping machine right here. The other shop is full too. Let me show you guys. So I have nowhere to put them. We need a bigger shop. So I might have to store those machines for a couple weeks or months over the summer while we try to find a bigger shop, but that is in the cards for us. So we're looking. Yeah, but I'm excited to get those two machines. I'm fully expecting to dump some money into them to make them nice again. They don't have to be perfect, but they have to work well. And I figure if I can get both machines to work well, even putting some money into it, then the cost of entry is definitely worth it. They seem like really good machines, or they can be good machines. So I'm excited. That's that.